Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate you. And please do like, share and subscribe and comment below and let me know what you think. So today I'm going to be showing you how I thicken my okra soup. Okra soup is a soup well eaten in Western Africa, in Nigeria and Ghana, and I believe some other countries too. So as you saw earlier, I kind of cut off the heads of the okra. That is what I'm going to be using later on for thickening my soup. So I use this device or this chopper to kind of cut my okra. I find it a little bit faster, even though it kind of requires a lot of wrist action because it's quite difficult pressing it down and pushing the okra through, because this okra, the one I got, was quite fibrous. um they're a bit older, not like the really young fresh ones that it's very easy to cut. So anyway, I decided to use this method because I felt it was a bit quicker than just using your knife because of the size of um okra pieces I wanted for my soup. So because some people like to grate theirs, some people like to use their knife and chop very tiny, depending, or cut it in circles, depending on what you want. I think also too, the more you make it a bit smaller, the thicker your soup is. So, but I kind of wanted my soup thick, but at the same time, I wanted all those nice pieces in there. So this is the amount of okra I was able to get, and this costs me about £8, British pounds, in the market. So, and which I think is not such a bad price for the amount I was able to get. So here I am going to put this in my blender. That's the heads of the okra, and I'm going to add some water to blend this. I find this a very, very fantastic tip. It was my mom that showed me this tip. It prevents food wastage, and then it's a great way to thicken your soup, adding lots of fiber, more fiber into your soup, and then more thickness into your soup. So you just blend this as usual and ensure that everything is completely smooth. It has to be very, very smooth. I really enjoy it this way. And before I prepare my soups, after I've fried all the first set of ingredients, you would add this first so that it kind of boils and cooks a bit before you add your actual okra in, the okra pieces which I've already cut. So as you can see, it's a very thick paste, very mucilaginous, or has lots of mucilage, meaning it's slimy, but not the nasty kind of slimy. Okra is known for its amazing health benefits. It helps you stabilize your blood sugar. It's full of fiber, vitamin C, folate, magnesium, calcium, lots of fantastic nutrients in here, B vitamins. It's an amazing vegetable. So for me, when I'm making my okra, I tend to use some onions to just kind of start off the process, like frying it with palm oil and all that. So this is my soup. I added a little bit of spinach into mine. I've got some fish and some other ingredients in there. I don't really like to put meat in mine, so because I prefer to have my meat on the side. So this is my food, and that's my little helper helping me. So we were going to have this with fish and some pounded yam. It was so yummy. So guys, thank you. I really appreciate you. Bye.